Hey guys, Chris here with the Keyless Shop. Today we're talking about Mini Cooper keys. And this is the 2003 Mini Cooper. And it's a real common problem with these remote head keys, and that the buttons break. They're just like little rubber buttons. So one way to fix this, because these keys are pretty expensive at the dealer, zoom out a little bit so you can see it. Okay. One way to fix this is you can come to our store, you can buy them online, little shells. And what we will do is we'll take the circuit board out. Now you have to be careful because there's actually two important parts to this. There's the circuit board, which is right here, and there's also the chip. The circuit board is for the keyless entry, so we'll just take that out. And it still works. You can see it's got a little red light that comes on. So now I'm going to put my circuit board into my new shell. And there's also a chip. Now this chip is important. A lot of people miss that because it's so small, but that chip is what is needed to start the car. And if you don't put this chip in the key, the car won't start. So we're going to put that chip in here. Just put a little bit of sticky putty over it so that it doesn't wiggle around. And now we'll close this. Alright, so now and then we got to put this in place as well. So now we have to laser cut the key. So it's a laser cut key. So I'm going to go ahead and get my laser machine, and we're going to trace the key. So it's Mini Cooper cut by decode. So now we're going to laser cut, we're tracing the key, and we're going to cut the key. Now it's reading all the cuts. So now the machine shows you the cuts, and it also gave us the key code. So we know that we've traced it correctly because we have the key code. So now I'm going to put my new key into my jaw. There. Again. That's yes. So now it's going to go ahead and cut the key. Once the key is cut, you're all done. Because the program is taking the old dust, the old chip, out of the broken key and putting it into the new chip. We have the laser tip cutting machines at all of our locations, Keyless Shop locations. So visit our website, keylesshop.com, or come visit any of our locations, and we can fix your broken Mini Cooper key. These keys, just so you know, are very tough to program. So they're very expensive. Most locksmiths charge a lot of money to make this key, because in order to make the key, if you want to make a duplicate, you have to take the computer, the ECU, out of the car, and it's a lot of work. Most locksmiths don't like doing it. There's also a lot of risk involved in having to remove the computer out of the car, and you have to do what's called EEPROM. You have to get the information off the actual circuit board of the computer to make the key. So it's very expensive. But this is another way. And these keys, they almost every single one of them, after a few years, the batteries break, the buttons break. So here we go. We cut our new key. Just brush it off. Voila, and there's the fixed key.